Akib, come, come. Come, dito lang, dito lang. Kick. What's that? Chicken. Chicken. Hi, chicken. Sabihin mo.
Hi, chicken.
How are you? Sabihin mo, how are you, chicken? How are you, chicken? Chicken. Dito, 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 dito. Dito, dito, dito. Yan. Hi ka, hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Wow. Wow. Chicken? No, 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 no. Tukain ka niya. Tukain ka niya. Bite ka niya. Wow. Bye, chicken. Wow. Jump, jump ka? Oh, don't. Oh, no, 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 no. Wow. Chicken. What's that? Ants ba yan? Did you see ants? No. Saan chicken mo? Chicken. Chicken. Eat chicken. Mm-mm. Eat chicken? Eat chicken? Where's the bird? What? Chicken. Ambulance. Did you hear the ambulance?
Yes. The ambulance. Dito. Daddy. Daddy.
Bagsak. Oh, show mo sa kanila yan. Show mo yung chicken. What's that? Chicken. Where's your chicken? This, this. This is my chicken. A big chicken. Wow. Walking, walking. Wow. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Fireworks.
Fireworks? That's a shadow. Shadow. Fire. That's fire. No, that's dirty. Dirty, dirty yan. Okay, wash mo yung mouth mo. Kunyari ito gripo to, kunwari gripo to. Wash mo yung mouth mo. Mouth. 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 Face yun. Oh, wash mo yung nose mo. Nose. Wow. Oh, wash mo yung ears mo. Gripo, water. Ears. Wash mo ears. Ganito, dito. Dito. Ah, init, init. Ah, sige. Ah, wash mo kilikili. Wash kilikili. Wash kilikili. Wash kilikili. Neck. Ah. Oh, wash mo yung eyes mo. Eyes. Wash. Wash ng water yung eyes. Wash mo ng water yung eyes mo. Wash. Oh, yung hair mo. Wash mo ng water yung hair mo. Ano ba yan? Ba't ka nagpapakyut? Huwag ka magpakyut. Wash mo yung teeth mo. Wash mo yung teeth. Ah, ano galing. Oh, wash mo yung head mo. Oh. Ah, wash mo yung titi mo. Wash mo yung titi mo. Oh, wash mo ulit. Wash. Wash titi. Wash titi. Wash puwet. Wash pupo. Wash pupo mo. Wash pupo mo.
Ini si Mami.
Wash pupo mo.
Mas pupo.
Wash pupo po. Wash mo feet mo. Kay Ate Pitpit. Paano wash ni Ate Pitpit?
Ng feet?
Ay, ganyan. Ganyan wash niya. Oh, wash mo yung elbow. Wash mo yung elbow mo. Wow! Kilikili yan eh. Wash mo yung tummy mo muna. Wash mo yung tummy. Wow! Wow! Ikaw.
Pwede na rin pala ako. Dahil kung nakati sa gilid sa puso sa ano. Ulo.
Hop, yeah.
Wow, cute.
That's mommy, that's mommy.
Watch ni Mami. Bigyan ni Mami yan. Watch mo. Open natin yung watch mo. Open. Paano yung open to?
Ewan ko.
Open.
Okay lang. Pindutan.
Don't mess with these kids. They're masters of Shaolin Kung Fu, one of the oldest forms of Chinese martial arts. The birthplace of Shaolin Kung Fu is said to be right here, at the foot of Mount Seoul, in central
Ah!
where the Shaolin Temple sits.